Sir, para po sa inyo, what is HIV?
Yung HIV, sakit yun ng mga bakla eh. Kaya kayo, pag alam niyo may HIV yung isang tao, lumayo agad kayo. Kasi baka maawa kayo.
It became clear that the virus spread without notice throughout most of the world, especially in our country, which is the Philippines.
Patuloy kasi kung lumulobo ang mga kaso ng human
Staggering surge in human immunodeficiency virus or HIV cases.
Or not all of them have been diagnosed due to surrounding stigma around getting tested.
HIV remains a major health issue around the world.
HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, attacks the human body's immune system, making it more vulnerable to other diseases and infections.
HIV can be transmitted through four bodily fluids: blood, semen, vaginal fluid, and breast milk.
The transmission of the virus is most commonly caused by unprotected sex, blood transmission, using needles and syringes, mother to newborn through breastfeeding, or from a mother's cervical secretions during childbirth.
HIV is incurable. Currently, around 39 million people in the world are living with HIV. The Philippines has been experiencing one of the fastest growing HIV epidemics in the Asia-Pacific region.
Metro Manila has the highest number of cases, which the Philippines ranks 146 globally. As per DOH, the Philippines increased by 55 cases recorded daily.
And from January to March 2024, 3,410 new cases of HIV were recorded with 82 reported deaths.
According to the HIV program in the Philippines, 49% of the deaths were of individuals aged 25 to 34 years old in regions with limited access to healthcare.
Did you know that getting tested is the only way to know about your HIV status? Getting tested and knowing your status can reduce the cases of HIV and other STI transmissions. It can also reduce the risk of concern for public health.
In the Philippines, the Department of Health has recorded 55 new cases of HIV per day.
The stigma of HIV in society is very evident.
If people are given education about the facts of HIV, they will have more knowledge and reduce the stigma of the HIV.
Remember that HIV is not transmitted by kissing, holding, nor touching.
HIV has a treatment and prevention programs. HIV can be prevented by using condoms and through PrEP.
The positive patients also receive a treatment to still live normally every day.
The government should provide a free testing centers in communities for everyone.
Through the information gathered regarding this, the government should strengthen this issue by widely providing information about it on major platforms such as news or social media.
And above all, the government should inform our society that people with HIV should still be treated correctly.
They also shouldn't feel discriminated against just because of their condition.
Always remember that they are still human beings with feelings just like us.
What are you waiting for?
Know your status.
Get tested now!
Know your status now.
Get tested now.
And be safe now!